These glazed blueberry biscuits are so soft and tender and delicious. I absolutely love them. You can find the full recipe on aquarterbaked.com. I like to whisk together all of my dry ingredients to make sure they're evenly mixed. I like to freeze my butter to make sure it's nice and firm so when I go to grate it through this cheese grater, I get these little curls. It also helps the butter stay colder for a lot longer and you get a lot of steam and a nice fluffier biscuit. The buttermilk and sour cream in this recipe really help these biscuits stay nice and soft. They're so tender once you take them out of the oven and they stay soft for days. After mixing, I let the dough sit in the refrigerator for 20 minutes while it relaxed and just cooled down. So when I go to pat it out, I have a good, nice, workable dough. After cutting my biscuits, I brushed them with buttermilk and I baked them in the oven at 425 degrees until they were golden brown on top. After they came out of the oven, I made my glaze with a little bit of butter, powdered sugar, and milk. After brushing on the glaze, I let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let that glaze harden up, and then they are all ready to serve. And you can find these tender biscuits and the full written recipe on aquarterbaked.com.